How to install and set up the Smartlink app to become the lock administrator. To begin, please find a compatible smartphone or tablet. Scan the QR code on the installation instructions. Download the Smartlink application. Launch the Smartlink app on your device. Tap Register. Please carefully read the terms of use. Tap the Agree button. Next is to set up the account passcode, unlock passcode, and face recognition data. First, enter the app account information. Next is to set the account passcode for logging into the Smartlink app and the passcode for unlocking the door. Once finished, please tap the icon below. Next, the app will show how to create face recognition data verification for the door to unlock. Please tap the check icon after reading it. Once in the face recognition screen, please tap the icon below to begin. During the setup of face recognition data, please turn your face slightly in order to increase the accuracy of recognition. After pressing OK, please use the phone to test the face recognition to check if the information is correct. Once the screen appears, it means that the account registration has been successfully completed. Tap the menu button in the upper right corner to enter the app menu. Tap Manage Locks. Simultaneously, press the Hold Open and Privacy buttons for about 5 seconds until the green light flashes twice and you hear 2 short beeps, entering the set door lock state. Tap the plus icon on the app screen. Please note that this step must be completed within 1 minute after the light flashes. The phone starts to search for the door lock. Find the door lock and tap the OK button. First, enter the door lock ID. You can use the QR code to complete automatically. Please tap the QR code button. Scan QR code on the card to automatically enter the door lock ID. Give your door lock a suitable name. Tap the button below to continue. Once the new door lock has been added successfully to your phone, the door lock green light flashes once and a short beep to indicate that the new door lock has been added. Tap the button below to continue. The new door lock appears on the Manage Locks page, indicating that you have completed the installation and set up the Smartlink app. If you have any comments about the door lock, please tap the menu button in the upper right corner to enter the app menu. On the menu page, tap the Feedback button. Enter your comments in the feedback section.